Today I'm doing a full tutorial on Blaze AI. This is a crazy social media content creation tool that's powered by AI, and I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to use this and set it up. This is extremely powerful. Step number one is to go to blaze.ai. Consider using my affiliate link in the description to get a free trial. So let's move on here. So what you first want to do once you get into the tool, and again, this is the dashboard here, right? And you guys don't underlook this tool because it is so powerful. And what we first want to do is for each different brand, what you want to do is first create a brand kit. So this is step number 2 right here. Click right here. It says create your first brand kit. And you can see here there's a lot of things to get distracted by. These are all the features right here, all these tabs over here, then on the left. But first what you want to do is you want to build a brand identity essentially. And you might be asking yourself, well, what's a brand kit? A personalized brand kit is a captured voice, style, and visuals. No more generic AI content that sounds like everyone else. This is how we're going to create it. So first what you want to do is put your website in here. And I'm going to go find my website, which is minmedia.agency. I run a marketing agency on the side. And it's probably not going to get a ton of information on this, but what it's doing here is it's going to use AI to crawl your website to get your voice, your identity, etc. And that way it can create your social media profiles from there. So I'm going to click paste, then click submit, and it's going to sit here and analyze the web pages, pull the colors, essentially pull the logos, and it's going to do its best to get a brand identity based on your website. If you don't have a website, that sucks, because if you're a serious business or brand, you should have a website, right guys? So yeah, we'll just give this a second. It says it's pulling photos. It's probably not going to get a ton of information because I've kind of leaned back on my agency lately. And yeah, this just should take a second here. Then it's going to ask you to pick some fonts, colors, schemes. I kind of like that dark black gray look. That's kind of probably why I got it. Headlines, I don't think are a huge deal. Let's just go with this. Preview brand voice. Hey, there's a picture of me, Chris. Sure, that'll work. And then it's going to ask you the tone. If you want it casual, I'm definitely casual, character, relatable, positive, simple. Yes, that is my brand. Create some content with your brand kit. All right, so now this is where things start to get a little spicy, right? And again, I'm going to show you guys how to use Blaze AI as a full tutorial. These are all the tabs in which we can use. And essentially this tool, Blaze AI, is for brands that need help creating social media content. If it's videos, TikToks, LinkedIn posts, everything, this tool is for teams or just yourself. This is such a powerful tool. And if at any point, guys, you want to check out the tool, my affiliate link is in the description. You get a free trial with that. So first what you can do is you can look at what's popular. Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter posts are probably what's the most popular in video scripting. You can also do blogging. You can write blog posts, blog ideas, press releases. You can do email in here. I don't see a tab for it. Oh, right here. So you can do newsletters, e-commerce. It's essentially, hey guys, it's so powerful. I'm so ecstatic about this. If you can't tell it my voice. All right, so let's deep dive on what you could do. So let's create a Facebook post. Let's do a post. You could do multiple posts, profile banners. Let's just do a post, right? Because chances are that's what you're probably trying to do. All right, so let's keep this mostly text or mostly visual. Let's go with mostly visual. All right. Oh, I feel like I'm going to sneeze. All right, so what we want to do now is, what is your post about? I'm going to tell it, I'm going to use the voice feature on here. Can you make me a post? Actually, it's not going to work. All right, I won't use that plugin. Sorry, the lag is down. All right, the post will be on marketing necessities for small businesses, And then, because that's what my agency is about, my marketing agency, I just do this video stuff kind of on the side. All right, so, and then it says select a design you'd like to start with, and you can choose templates. It's really up to you. These actually work really well. So let's go with this one, Marketing 101. We'll choose that template, and then edit the caption beneath your post. Every small business needs a solid marketing strategy to thrive. Yeah, this looks pretty good, and you're just kind of giving it ideas on where to write it, and then just click on generate post here. Just takes a second. It uses AI to kind of create the post. And it says every small business needs it, blah, blah, blah. Do you like the result? Yes, it's good. I like that. Submit feedback. We're not doing that right now. And then all you'd have to do is go up here to edit the post, and you click on elements. You could change the elements. I can click on anything. I can drop and drag, ready to grow. I can change this image to do something else. I can add images. Guys, you can fully customize everything here, and that's kind of the beauty of it. You don't need like special designers or anything like this. I really kind of see this taking over like corporate social media teams, you know, because I used to work at some corporate places, and they have teams that do all of this, the design, the copywriting, but this is going to do all that. I can change the text, I can change anything, I can change the captions. Let's start today. Yeah, it's just so easy, man. Like, just choose your style. I can change different templates. Then I just go and publish this on my Facebook page. And then that's just the start of it. So click home here. And again, now that we've created our brand, like our voice and such, we can go and do any of this stuff. I can click on social media. I can choose where I want to do that. Say I wanted to do YouTube, right? Maybe I want to do a YouTube script, because that's what I do all day long, because I'm also a full-time YouTuber. What is the topic of your YouTube script? Let's tell the topic of the script. I just resaid that twice. How about the top 10 marketing essentials for small businesses. God, I can't spell. All right, then I'm going to have Blaze auto fill out the rest because I'm that lazy, and this whole AI system just works like crazy. How long should the video be? 6 to 12 minutes long. Select brand kit. I'm going to choose my Min Media brand kit because that's essentially my voice. Generate titles. So it's going to give me title ideas for the YouTube video script, right? The ultimate guide to entrepreneurs. I like this top one. Top 10 marketing essentials every small business owner needs to know. Yeah, I like that. And I like how it gives me more title ideas. You know what I mean? It doesn't just give you like one or two. It gives you a bunch of them. And here's the script outline. It essentially gives us the script outline, introduction, understanding your audience, building a strong brand. It gives us all this stuff, which is crazy. Then I'm going to generate the script. This might take a second because it's a 6 to 12 minute video. Or actually it'll be instant, I guess. But yeah, it's just so much. There's just so much going on here. And like, I feel like in this short video, I can't even touch base with all the things I can do here. Like, it's absolutely insane. This is a social media content generation machine. Again, if you guys want to check it out, there'll be a link in the description. So here's the introduction, understanding your audience. I just copy paste this and put it in my teleprompter that's right next to me. And I just sit here and read it. And this is so powerful, guys. So that's YouTube scripting. So that's crazy as well. I'd save that, and I could do emails. Let's write an email. So a newsletter. Let's write a newsletter. Ideas. What is the topic of your newsletter? Ideas. Let's just stick with our theme, right? The top 10 marketing tools for small business. I'll add tools. Have Blaze autofill out the rest because I'm lazy. Choose the toolkit. What keywords should be chosen? Yeah, those look amazing. I mean, this is going to make people's jobs disappear. Like, I hate to say it. Excuse me. Woo! Sorry about that, guys. This is raw reality. I'm a real person. This isn't AI. All right, so here's the newsletter ideas. It's insane. Like, look at all these ideas. Email marketing secrets for startups from zero to hero. Like, you know how many times I used to run social media for small businesses, like, as a full-time thing, and like, this is what we would sit in meetings wasting time doing. That sounded weird. But yeah, guys, like, we can do so much stuff, and it's insane. I can use the calendar feature here. A little bit ago, what I did was I had it just auto-schedule rough posts to be just mass published across the entire rest of the month about, like, coffee stuff or something. I forget what I was doing. LinkedIn post ideas. Yeah, you can essentially just immediately after you get all the post ideas in here, you can schedule them. Just literally drop and drag schedule it to the scheduler. Like, it's so crazy. It has a built-in analytics feature. I haven't connected my social media accounts in here yet because I just have so many that I manage and I don't know which ones to do. And I've just been learning the tool. But guys, if you don't see the power in this, like, it's absolutely insane. This is what we're going to be managing our socials with, especially for all the small businesses we work with. And again, you'll get a free trial if you use my link in the description. Like, it's free to use. This is Blaze AI tutorial, how to set it up, how to run it. It's so easy. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know if you need any help with anything, or like let me know your biggest struggles that you're struggling with lately, and what your thoughts are on Blaze AI. Like, the tool is insane. Like, this is a full tutorial. It should also be a review video, but it is what it is. All right, guys, I'm going to get out of here. Have yourself a great rest of your day. God bless, and I'll see you in the next one.